beauty is everywhere. Gentleness, curves, elegance, intelligence. Sometimes beauty needs to be revealed by light. Alma Laser's Dye PL is the evolution and revolution of intense pulsed light. We succeeded in concentrating the wavelength within a narrow 100 nanometer filter, redirecting cutoff energy to enhance treatment. You now have the most advanced technology for vascular lesions and skin pigmentation. It's pretty clever. We achieved laser-like results in a safe and cost-effective method. Dye PL from Alma Lasers, the light beauty was waiting for.